Welcome to the Bedtime Lab, where our journey takes us beyond the stars and back to the comfort of our pillows. Tonight, we're embarking on a celestial exploration into the world of GPS and orbital satellites, those silent guardians that orbit above us, guiding and connecting our earthly lives in ways you might not even realize. Settle in, make yourself comfortable, and let your mind gently wander as we explore these sleepy facts. Now, before we delve too deeply into the cosmos, I'd love to hear where you're listening from. Leave a comment with your location, and let's see how far our voices can reach together. Did you know that the Global Positioning System, or GPS as you might know it, relies on a constellation of at least 30 satellites orbiting our planet? These technological marvels whisk around the Earth at speeds of nearly 14,000 kilometers per hour, each one synchronized to provide the exact location of any GPS-enabled device. It might surprise you to learn that GPS was not originally designed for civilian use. Initially, it was a military project developed by the United States Department of Defense in the late 20th century. But now, GPS is universally used in our smartphones, helping us navigate from point A to B with ease. Speaking of navigation, here's an interesting tidbit. Each GPS satellite is equipped with its own atomic clock. These clocks are so precise that they can measure time to within a billionth of a second. Can you imagine the accuracy required to ensure we can pinpoint a location anywhere on Earth? This precision is essential because even the slightest error in time measurement could lead to a significant miscalculation in distance. And here's something fascinating. The signals from GPS satellites have to travel through the Earth's atmosphere to reach us, and they do so at the speed of light. Yet, the signals are so delicate that they can be disrupted by solar flares or severe weather, requiring constant adjustments and monitoring from ground-based control stations. Let me share something interesting about the way satellites orbit our planet. They are placed in what's called a geosynchronous orbit, which means they move in sync with the Earth's rotation. This allows them to maintain a fixed position relative to the surface, ensuring uninterrupted coverage of specific areas. Imagine these satellites as cosmic dancers, gracefully twirling in harmony with the Earth's own rhythm. Transitioning to another intriguing fact, the GPS signals you rely on daily travel over 20,000 kilometers from space. Despite this incredible distance, the signal strength is just enough to be detected by our receivers. It's like whispering across an entire city and still being heard. Have you ever wondered how satellites maintain their course so precisely? Tiny onboard thrusters make this possible, making minute adjustments to their trajectory as needed. These adjustments ensure that satellites remain in their designated orbital slots, providing seamless service to those of us down below. Here's a thought-provoking fact. The lifespan of most GPS satellites is about 10 to 15 years. After that, they are carefully moved to a higher orbit, known as a graveyard orbit, where they can safely drift away from operational satellites. It's a celestial retirement plan of sorts, ensuring that space remains free of clutter. Interestingly, the GPS system is not just about finding your way while driving. It plays a crucial role in various sectors, including aviation, where it helps pilots navigate through the skies. In agriculture, GPS technology allows for precision farming, optimizing crop yields by guiding tractors with pinpoint accuracy. And would you believe that GPS is also vital for synchronizing financial transactions around the globe? Banks and financial institutions rely on the precise timing provided by GPS satellites to ensure the accuracy of time-stamped transactions. In this digital age, timing can indeed be everything. As we drift further into the night, consider this. The concept of using satellites for communication was first popularized by none other than Arthur C. Clarke, a visionary science fiction writer. His idea of a network of satellites providing global communications was once pure fiction, yet today it is very much a reality. Clarke's dreams have helped shape the world we live in, proving that sometimes the lines between science fiction and reality can beautifully blur. With all these fascinating details in mind, it's easy to see how satellites and GPS have woven themselves into the fabric of our daily lives, often without us even realizing it. They serve as a gentle reminder of the wonders of technology and the vastness of the universe above us. Now, as you close your eyes and drift into a peaceful slumber, let your dreams take you on a journey among the stars, where the satellites silently dance above, guiding us through the night. As we continue our celestial journey, imagine for a moment the sheer precision required to launch a satellite into orbit. Did you know that the rocket carrying a satellite must reach a speed of at least 28,000 kilometers per hour to escape Earth's gravitational pull and settle into space? It's a breathtaking dance of physics and engineering where everything must align perfectly to ensure success. And here's something truly unexpected. Despite their complex systems and vital roles, GPS satellites are relatively small compared to other types of satellites. They are roughly the size of a compact car, yet they manage to perform a monumental task, providing seamless navigation to millions around the globe. Speaking of navigation, would it surprise you to know that each GPS satellite transmits not just one but multiple signals? This redundancy is crucial, as it helps receivers on the ground accurately determine their location by comparing the time it took for each signal to arrive. It's like having several pairs of eyes looking at the same spot from different angles, ensuring clarity and precision. Here's another captivating fact. The concept of triangulation used by GPS is an age-old technique dating back thousands of years. Mariners used the stars to navigate the seas, and now, in a beautiful twist of fate, we use man-made stars to find our way on Earth. This ancient wisdom continues to guide us, albeit with a modern technological flair. Now, let me share something about the harsh environment these satellites must endure. In the vacuum of space, temperatures can swing dramatically between scorching hot and freezing cold. GPS satellites are equipped with special thermal controls to regulate their temperature, ensuring they operate smoothly even in such extreme conditions. It's akin to living in a house with perfect climate control, no matter the weather outside. Speaking of space conditions, consider this. GPS satellites are continually bombarded by cosmic radiation. Over time, this radiation can degrade the satellite's components, shortening their operational life. To mitigate this, engineers design robust systems and protective shielding to keep these satellites functioning at their best for as long as possible. Here's a delightful tidbit. While GPS satellites orbit the Earth, they themselves are moving through time slightly differently than we do. Due to the effects of Einstein's theory of relativity, time actually runs a little faster for these satellites. This time discrepancy, though minuscule, is corrected by onboard systems to ensure the accuracy of the GPS timing signals we rely on. Did you ever wonder how many countries have their own satellite navigation systems? While the United States' GPS is the most widely used, other countries have developed their own systems as well. Russia has GLONASS, the European Union boasts Galileo, and China has Beidou. Each of these systems adds to the global network of navigation capabilities, enhancing accuracy and availability for users worldwide. Here's a curious fact. GPS technology is also helping us study and understand the geological processes of our planet. Scientists use GPS data to monitor tectonic movements, allowing for early detection of earthquakes and a better understanding of how the Earth's crust shifts over time. It's like having an ear to the ground, listening to the subtle whispers of our ever-changing planet. Let me tell you about the intriguing role GPS plays in the world of sports. Athletes and trainers use GPS data to track performance and analyze movements and optimize training routines, whether it's running, cycling, or team sports. The precise data provided by GPS helps athletes push their limits and achieve their best. Speaking of pushing limits, have you ever considered the role of GPS in space exploration? Missions like those to Mars use GPS-like systems to navigate and land rovers on distant planets. Although the technology differs slightly, the principles of precise location and timing remain the same, allowing us to explore new worlds with confidence. Here's something you might find astonishing. GPS is crucial for emergency services, enabling rapid response and coordination during disasters, whether it's guiding ambulances to accident sites or helping search and rescue teams locate individuals in remote areas. GPS saves lives by providing critical location data when it's needed the most. As we draw closer to the end of this segment, take a moment to appreciate how integrated GPS is in our daily lives, often without us even realizing it. From finding the quickest route home to supporting vital scientific research, these satellites tirelessly serve us from their orbits high above. It's a testament to human ingenuity bridging the vastness of space with the intimacy of our daily journeys. As you drift deeper into relaxation, let these facts lull you into a peaceful state as the satellites above continue their silent watch over our world. As we wander further into the realm of GPS and orbital satellites, let me share another intriguing insight. The signals from a GPS satellite travel at the speed of light. Can you imagine? That's close to 300,000 kilometers per second. This incredible speed allows us to receive almost instantaneous location data, yet there's more complexity than meets the eye. To ensure accuracy, GPS receivers must account for the time it takes these signals to arrive, considering the distance they have traveled through space. And did you know that GPS technology has also found a unique purpose in agriculture? Precision farming uses GPS to monitor crop conditions, manage field operations, and even guide autonomous tractors. It's as if farmers have futuristic tools at their fingertips, allowing them to optimize yields and conserve resources with pinpoint accuracy. Here's something that might captivate your curiosity. GPS satellites are equipped with atomic clocks, accurate to within a few nanoseconds. These clocks are the heartbeat of the GPS system, providing the precise timing needed for position calculations. Without them, the entire network would falter, emphasizing the delicate balance of science and technology that keeps everything in sync. Speaking of synchronization, did you know that GPS systems are essential for keeping the internet and mobile networks running smoothly? By providing precise timestamps, they ensure the seamless flow of data across global networks. It's like a digital conductor, orchestrating the harmony of communication that connects us all. In a more unexpected twist, GPS data is used to monitor wildlife movements. Researchers attach GPS tracking devices to animals to study their behavior and migration patterns, offering insights into their lives and interactions with the environment. This fascinating application helps us to better understand and protect our planet's biodiversity. Now, let's dive into the fascinating world of weather forecasting. GPS signals are used to improve the accuracy of weather predictions, especially when it comes to tracking atmospheric conditions. By analyzing how GPS signals are refracted as they pass through the atmosphere, scientists can glean information about humidity and temperature. This data enhances our understanding of weather patterns and improves the forecasts that guide our daily decisions. Here's a thought-provoking fact. GPS technology is crucial for the functioning of financial markets. Many financial transactions require precise timing, and GPS provides the synchronized timekeeping necessary to ensure these transactions occur in the right order. It's yet another example of how this space-based technology influences our terrestrial activities in subtle yet significant ways. Did you ever wonder how GPS can assist in archaeology? Archaeologists use GPS to map excavation sites with precision, helping them to document and analyze historical findings accurately. It's a modern tool that aids in the exploration of our past, bridging the ancient with the contemporary. Let me tell you about the role of GPS in aviation. Aircraft rely on GPS for navigation, ensuring they stay on course during flights. This technology enhances safety and efficiency, allowing pilots to make real-time adjustments based on their precise location. It's a comforting thought, knowing that high above, the same satellites guiding our road trips also contribute to the safe passage of air travelers. Speaking of safety, have you ever considered how GPS assists in avalanche rescue operations? In mountainous regions, rescuers use GPS to locate individuals trapped in snow. It's remarkable how these satellites, so far removed from the rugged landscapes below, play a pivotal role in saving lives. Here's an intriguing note. GPS technology is also utilized in the creation of digital maps, which are constantly updated to reflect changes in the real world. These maps guide us through unfamiliar terrain, whether we're exploring a new city or hiking in the wilderness. It's a seamless blend of technology and exploration, making the world more accessible to us all. And did you know that GPS has a role in sports fishing? Anglers use GPS to mark fishing hotspots and track their movements on the water. This allows them to return to productive areas with ease and share their findings with fellow fishing enthusiasts. Another remarkable application is the use of GPS in synchronized displays, such as drone light shows. These dazzling displays rely on precise positional data to choreograph the movements of hundreds of drones, creating mesmerizing patterns in the night sky. It's a testament to the creative possibilities unlocked by satellite technology. Finally, here's a calming thought to carry with you as you drift off. GPS satellites quietly orbiting above us remind us of our place in the universe. They serve as a bridge between the vastness of space and the intricacies of life on Earth, weaving together a tapestry of innovation and exploration that enriches our understanding of the world. As we continue this journey, let the gentle guidance of these satellites inspire a sense of wonder and peace. Let me share something intriguing with you. GPS technology is not just about earthly affairs. It plays a crucial role in space exploration as well. Did you know that NASA uses GPS to help navigate spacecraft? This technology assists in tracking satellites and other celestial bodies, ensuring missions proceed smoothly and accurately. It's quite fascinating to think that the same tools guiding us on terrestrial roads also help navigate the vast expanse of the cosmos. Speaking about navigation, have you ever wondered how ocean vessels find their way through the vast open waters? GPS is the modern mariner's compass, guiding ships safely from port to port. With it, crews can plot precise courses over great distances, avoiding hazards and optimizing their routes. It's remarkable how GPS has replaced traditional navigation methods, bringing a new level of safety and efficiency to seafaring. Let me tell you about something truly unexpected. GPS assists in earthquake research. By placing GPS sensors on the Earth's surface, scientists can detect even the slightest movements of tectonic plates. This data helps researchers understand seismic activity and potentially predict earthquakes, offering communities valuable time to prepare. It's yet another way that this technology quietly supports our safety and knowledge. And here's a surprising fact. GPS satellites are involved in monitoring space weather. By measuring solar activity and its effects on Earth's magnetosphere, satellite data helps scientists predict geomagnetic storms. These predictions are crucial for protecting power grids and communication networks from solar flares and other space weather phenomena. Isn't it remarkable how satellites act as our sentinels, keeping watch over both Earth and the heavens? Did you know that GPS receivers have become essential in the world of sports? Athletes and coaches use these devices to track performance metrics, such as speed and distance, during training and competitions. This data provides insights that can enhance training regimes and improve performance. It's a modern way to gain a competitive edge, all thanks to satellites orbiting far above the action. Let's explore how GPS is revolutionizing the transportation industry. Autonomous vehicles rely heavily on GPS to navigate roads safely and efficiently. These vehicles use a combination of satellite data and onboard sensors to determine their precise location, plan routes, and avoid obstacles. It's like having a co-pilot that never tires, paving the way for a future where driving might become a leisurely pastime rather than a necessity. Here's something that might pique your interest. The role of GPS in time synchronization extends beyond just financial markets. Power companies use GPS to synchronize the phases of electricity grids, ensuring a stable and reliable power supply. Precise timing helps manage the flow of electricity, reducing outages and improving efficiency. It's astonishing how vital timing precision is, underpinning the very infrastructure we depend on daily. Now, imagine how GPS plays a part in disaster relief. During natural disasters, GPS technology aids in coordinating emergency response efforts. It helps rescuers navigate through chaotic environments, locate affected areas, and deliver aid swiftly. This application of GPS technology can mean the difference between life and death, highlighting its significance beyond everyday conveniences. Speaking of emergencies, GPS technology is invaluable in search and rescue operations, whether it's hikers lost in the wilderness or vessels lost at sea. GPS trackers can quickly pinpoint locations, guiding rescuers to their targets with remarkable efficiency. It's comforting to know that help can find you no matter where you are, all thanks to these silent guardians in orbit. Did you ever think about how GPS contributes to the field of robotics? Many robots, from industrial machines to home assistants, use GPS to navigate their surroundings. This spatial awareness allows them to move with precision, enhancing their ability to perform tasks effectively. It's amazing how far robotic capabilities have come, with satellites playing a crucial role in this technological evolution. Here's something delightful. GPS technology makes geocaching possible. This modern-day treasure hunting game involves participants using GPS coordinates to find hidden caches around the world. It's a fun way to explore new places and connect with others, thanks to the precision and accessibility of GPS. Who would have thought that satellites could spark such a playful and adventurous pastime? And lastly, consider how GPS impacts environmental conservation efforts. By tagging endangered animals with GPS trackers, conservationists can monitor their movements and habitats. This information is crucial for developing strategies to protect these species and preserve biodiversity. It's heartening to see technology being used to protect the world's natural wonders, reminding us of the interconnectedness of all life. These varied applications of GPS technology illustrate its profound impact on our world, from the micro to the macro, connecting people, places, and ideas. As you let these thoughts sink in, consider the vast potential that still lies ahead, waiting to be discovered. The universe is a grand tapestry, and GPS is but one thread that weaves through it, guiding us with its silent, celestial presence. Let me share with you another intriguing facet of GPS technology: its role in agriculture. Did you know that farmers use GPS to monitor crop yields and optimize planting patterns? This technology enables precision farming, where agricultural practices are fine-tuned to improve productivity and reduce waste. Imagine tractors guided by satellites, planting seeds with pinpoint accuracy. It's a fascinating intersection of age-old practices and modern technology, leading to more sustainable farming methods. Speaking of sustainability, have you ever considered how GPS aids in reducing carbon footprints? By optimizing logistics and delivery routes, companies can minimize fuel consumption and emissions. This efficiency not only saves money, but also lessens environmental impact. It's a small step in combating climate change, and satellites play an invisible yet vital role in this effort. And here's something you might find surprising. GPS technology is crucial in the field of archaeology. Archaeologists use it to map out excavation sites with great precision, ensuring that they can document and preserve historical artifacts without disturbing them. Picture researchers in remote areas, uncovering the secrets of ancient civilizations with the help of satellites orbiting far above. It's a marriage of history and technology, bringing the past into clearer focus. Let's delve into another fascinating application: air traffic control. GPS enhances the safety and efficiency of air travel by providing real-time tracking of aircraft. This allows for more accurate flight paths, reducing delays and improving fuel efficiency. It's comforting to know that the skies are monitored with such precision, ensuring your journey is as smooth as possible. Now, here's an interesting thought. GPS is also instrumental in managing wildlife conservation areas. By setting virtual boundaries that are monitored by satellites, authorities can protect these regions from illegal activities such as poaching and deforestation. This virtual fence, guided by the stars, helps safeguard the Earth's precious ecosystems and the creatures that inhabit them. You might be surprised to learn how GPS technology assists in the study of migratory patterns. By attaching small GPS devices to birds, scientists can track their journeys across vast distances. This data reveals insights into the challenges and adaptations these travelers face. Imagine following the path of a bird as it wings its way across continents, guided by innate instincts and the watchful eyes of satellites. Here's another captivating aspect. GPS is a key player in the burgeoning field of autonomous drones. These flying machines rely on satellite data to navigate complex environments, performing tasks ranging from aerial photography to emergency medical deliveries. It's like having an eye in the sky, able to reach places that are difficult or dangerous for humans. Speaking of complex environments, did you know that GPS helps manage the vast networks of underground pipelines? By providing precise location data, GPS ensures that maintenance and repairs can be conducted efficiently, minimizing the risk of leaks or malfunctions. It's a crucial part of maintaining the infrastructure that keeps our cities running smoothly. And let's not forget about the world of finance. The precise timing provided by GPS is essential for high-frequency trading, where even a fraction of a second can make a significant difference. It's fascinating how the same technology that guides us through cities also underpins the fast-paced world of stock markets. Here's a fun tidbit. GPS technology is used in augmented reality games. These games overlay digital objects onto the real world, creating interactive experiences that blend fantasy and reality. Players navigate their surroundings using GPS to find virtual creatures or complete challenges. It's a playful reminder of how technology can transform our perceptions of the world around us. Now, have you ever thought about how GPS assists in weather prediction? Weather balloons equipped with GPS provide data on atmospheric conditions, which is crucial for accurate forecasts. This information helps meteorologists predict severe weather events, allowing for timely warnings and preparations. It's another way satellites keep us informed and prepared for whatever nature might throw our way. And here's a delightful application. GPS technology is used in the art world to create land art. Artists use GPS to plan and execute large-scale outdoor artworks, sometimes visible only from the air. These pieces, crafted with precision and creativity, remind us of the beauty and potential of our planet as seen from a broader perspective. Did you know that GPS is a vital tool for surveyors? By providing accurate location data, GPS allows for precise measurements of land and property lines. This technology has revolutionized the field, making surveys more efficient and reliable. Imagine the intricate maps and plans that are crafted with such care, all thanks to the guidance from above. And finally, consider the use of GPS in personal fitness tracking. Devices equipped with GPS record your runs, bike rides, and hikes, providing data on distance, speed, and elevation. This information helps users set goals and track their progress, promoting healthier lifestyles. It's fascinating how satellites contribute to personal well-being, encouraging us to explore and challenge ourselves. As you reflect on these diverse applications, consider the incredible reach of GPS and orbital satellites. They touch nearly every aspect of our lives, often in ways we might not immediately recognize. From the fields of agriculture to the expansive skies, these technologies continue to guide and inspire us. As you drift into a restful sleep, let your thoughts wander to the possibilities yet to come and the unseen forces that quietly shape our world. Let me share something intriguing with you. GPS technology has found its way into the world of sports, particularly in professional cycling. Teams use GPS data to optimize training regimens, track performance, and even strategize during races. Imagine cyclists racing through scenic landscapes, guided by invisible threads of satellite information that tell them the story of their journey and performance. It's a fusion of physical endurance and digital precision, crafting a new era of athletic competition. Speaking of racing, here's a surprising application. GPS systems are also integral to horse racing. By using GPS to track the position and speed of each horse in real time, officials can ensure fair play and accurate race results. It's remarkable how this technology helps maintain the integrity of an age-old sport, blending tradition with modernity. And here's something you might not expect. GPS technology plays a crucial role in disaster response and management. During natural disasters like earthquakes or hurricanes, GPS helps coordinate search and rescue operations by providing accurate location data, ensuring that help reaches those in need as quickly as possible. Picture responders navigating through chaos, guided by the steady hand of satellite signals, bringing hope and assistance where it's needed most. Let's delve into another fascinating use. GPS helps in monitoring and maintaining the health of power grids. By tracking the positions of maintenance crews and equipment, utilities can efficiently manage repairs and upgrades, minimizing disruptions to electricity supply. It's comforting to know that the lights that brighten our homes are supported by a network of satellites, ensuring that energy remains reliable and stable. Did you know that GPS technology is also a vital tool for precision agriculture? Farmers use GPS to plant crops with exact spacing, optimize irrigation, and apply fertilizers precisely where needed. This not only boosts yields but also conserves resources, promoting sustainable farming practices. Imagine vast fields methodically tended with the help of satellites, nurturing the crops that sustain us. Here's a thought-provoking fact. GPS is instrumental in synchronizing global clocks, a process essential for international communications and transactions. By providing a universal time standard, GPS ensures that everything from phone networks to financial markets operates smoothly. It's amazing how this invisible web of timekeeping weaves together the fabric of our connected world. Let's consider the role of GPS in public transportation. Many bus and train systems rely on GPS for real-time tracking and scheduling, providing passengers with up-to-date information about arrival and departure times. This integration of technology makes commuting more efficient and less stressful, improving the daily lives of countless individuals as they travel through bustling cities. And here's an unexpected twist. GPS technology aids in the study of tectonic plate movements. By monitoring shifts in the Earth's crust, scientists gain insights into geophysical processes that can lead to earthquakes. This research not only deepens our understanding of the planet, but also helps in developing early warning systems that could save lives. Another captivating use of GPS is in the field of autonomous vehicles. These self-driving cars rely heavily on satellite data to navigate roads safely and efficiently. It's a glimpse into the future of transportation, where vehicles communicate with satellites to maneuver through the world with minimal human intervention. Speaking of the future, did you know that GPS technology is being used to map the ocean floor? Scientists employ GPS to guide underwater vehicles that collect data and create detailed maps of the seabed. This exploration unlocks the mysteries of the deep, revealing the hidden landscapes beneath the waves. Now, let's explore GPS's role in aviation. Beyond flight tracking, it assists in precision landing approaches, allowing planes to land safely in challenging conditions. This precision reduces the risk of accidents and enhances the overall safety of air travel, providing peace of mind to those soaring above the clouds. Here's a delightful application you might not have considered. GPS is used to track and protect endangered species. By attaching GPS collars to animals like elephants and rhinos, conservationists can monitor their movements and implement strategies to prevent poaching. It's heartening to know that satellites help shield some of the world's most vulnerable creatures. You might also be surprised to learn that GPS technology enhances the safety of marine navigation. Ships use GPS to chart courses, avoid hazards, and dock safely. This contributes to the smooth operation of global shipping routes, ensuring the efficient transport of goods across oceans. And lastly, consider how GPS impacts the field of physical geography. By providing precise data on landforms and natural features, GPS aids researchers in studying climate change and environmental shifts. This information is invaluable in crafting responses to ecological challenges, guiding us toward a more sustainable future. As you ponder these diverse uses of GPS and satellites, Imagine the invisible threads they weave through our lives, connecting and enhancing our world in countless ways. As you drift into restful slumber, let your thoughts wander to the limitless possibilities of technology, both seen and unseen, that gently shape our existence. Speaking of the far-reaching impact of GPS technology, did you know that satellites play a crucial role in uncovering ancient secrets? Archaeologists use GPS to precisely map excavation sites and track the locations of artifacts, ensuring that precious historical data is meticulously catalogued. This technological marriage helps to preserve the stories of past civilizations, piecing together the great tapestry of human history. And isn't it fascinating how GPS empowers amateur astronomers? With GPS-enabled telescopes, stargazers can automatically align their telescopes with celestial objects. This allows even beginners to explore the night sky with ease, fostering a deeper appreciation for the cosmos and its wonders. Imagine peering through a telescope, guided by the invisible signals of satellites, to witness the distant glow of stars and galaxies. Another intriguing application lies in the field of music festivals and large events. Organizers use GPS to manage logistics, track staff, and coordinate emergency responses. This seamless coordination ensures that events run smoothly, providing unforgettable experiences for attendees. Picture bustling crowds enjoying their favorite artists, all managed with precision thanks to the guidance of GPS technology. In the world of sports, GPS has revolutionized athlete training. Wearable devices with GPS capabilities provide detailed insights into an athlete's performance, tracking speed, distance, and even heart rate. This data helps coaches optimize training regimens, enhancing the performance of athletes across various disciplines. The result is a new level of competitive excellence, honed through the precise measurement of physical feats. Speaking of excellence, did you know that GPS aids in monitoring volcanoes? By measuring ground deformation and other indicators, scientists can predict eruptions more accurately, giving communities vital time to prepare and evacuate if necessary. It's a testament to how technology can act as a guardian, protecting people from nature's unpredictable fury. Here's a charming fact. GPS is also used in the quest to find lost pets. Pet trackers equipped with GPS allow owners to quickly locate their furry friends, bringing peace of mind to anxious pet parents. Imagine the relief of reuniting with a beloved pet, all made possible by the satellite signals crisscrossing the sky above. Another delightful application of GPS can be found in virtual reality and augmented reality experiences. These technologies leverage GPS to create immersive, location-based experiences that blend the digital world with the physical one. You can explore historic landmarks or embark on virtual treasure hunts, guided by the precise location data that GPS provides. Consider the role of GPS in enhancing the safety of construction sites. By tracking the movement of machinery and personnel, construction managers can prevent accidents and ensure that projects stay on schedule. This integration of technology promotes a safer working environment, shielding workers from potential hazards. In the realm of telecommunications, GPS is indispensable for maintaining network synchronization. By ensuring that data packets arrive in the correct order and at the right time, GPS helps deliver seamless communication across the globe. It's amazing to think that the conversations we have across continents are supported by the precise timing signals from satellites orbiting high above. Let's shift our focus to environmental conservation. GPS technology assists in reforestation efforts by mapping out planting areas and monitoring the growth of new forests. This strategic approach helps combat deforestation and contributes to the restoration of vital ecosystems. Envision lush green landscapes flourishing under the watchful guidance of satellites. Speaking of restoration, did you know that GPS plays a role in maintaining historical landmarks? By providing precise data on the condition of structures, GPS aids in conservation efforts, ensuring that these cultural treasures are preserved for future generations to admire. It's heartening to know that technology helps safeguard the legacy of our shared heritage. In the culinary world, GPS technology assists in the traceability of food. By tracking the journey of ingredients from farm to table, GPS ensures transparency and safety in the food supply chain. This helps build trust between producers and consumers, fostering a deeper connection to the food we enjoy. Imagine the world of fine art, where GPS technology is used to track and authenticate valuable pieces as they are transported between museums and galleries. This application reduces the risk of theft and ensures that artworks are preserved in pristine condition for public enjoyment. Lastly, consider how GPS is enhancing personal fitness journeys. Fitness apps that utilize GPS allow users to map their runs, track their progress, and even compete with others. This integration of technology motivates individuals to lead healthier lifestyles while connecting them with a global community of fitness enthusiasts. As you reflect on these diverse uses of GPS and satellites, let your mind wander through the myriad ways they touch our lives, from uncovering ancient ruins to safeguarding modern masterpieces. These technologies are woven into the very fabric of our daily existence, guiding us toward a brighter, more connected future. Let me share something interesting with you. GPS technology has a hand in orchestrating agriculture in surprising ways. Farmers use it to plan and execute precise planting, watering, and harvesting schedules. By utilizing GPS-guided machinery, they can optimize fieldwork, minimizing waste and maximizing yield. Picture the vast fields of crops, each row perfectly aligned thanks to the unseen satellite guidance high above. This precision farming contributes not only to food security, but also to the sustainability of our planet's resources. And speaking of sustainability, did you know that GPS plays a crucial role in wildlife conservation? Researchers track animal movements with GPS collars, gathering invaluable data on migration patterns and habitat use. These insights help in designing effective conservation strategies, preserving biodiversity and ensuring that these majestic creatures continue to roam freely. Imagine the quiet satisfaction of knowing that satellite technology is safeguarding the delicate balance of our natural world. Here's a fascinating fact. GPS technology is used in the mining industry to enhance safety and efficiency. By tracking equipment and personnel, mines can significantly reduce the risk of accidents and improve operational workflows. The precise data also aids in resource management, ensuring that extraction processes are both economical and environmentally responsible. Can you picture the vast operations underground being meticulously managed by signals from the sky above? Now, consider how GPS is revolutionizing emergency services. In times of crisis, accurate location data is vital for dispatching first responders quickly and efficiently. GPS ensures that help arrives precisely where it's needed, saving precious time and lives. Imagine the peace of mind knowing that, in an emergency, technology is steering aid directly to you. It's comforting to think of how these innovations work tirelessly behind the scenes to protect us. Did you know that marine navigation relies heavily on GPS? Sailors and shipping companies use it to chart courses across vast oceans, ensuring safe passage for vessels big and small. The maritime industry benefits from this accuracy, reducing the likelihood of accidents and conserving fuel. Visualize the serene expanse of the sea, with ships gliding smoothly along invisible lines plotted by GPS, connecting distant shores with unparalleled precision. Here's another delightful application. GPS helps in monitoring and managing endangered plant species. By tracking locations and growth conditions, scientists can cultivate and reintroduce plants to their native habitats. This botanical guardianship ensures that future generations can continue to admire the diverse wonders of our planet. Picture the vibrant blooms thriving once more, their roots firmly anchored by the guidance of technology. Speaking of roots, did you know that GPS technology assists archaeologists in preserving historical sites? By providing detailed maps and location data, GPS helps protect these areas from damage during excavation and tourism. This ensures that the stories etched in stone and soil remain intact for future exploration. Imagine the careful uncovering of ancient pathways, each step guided by the precise touch of modern technology, bridging the past and the present. And here's something captivating for you. GPS is integral to the world of autonomous vehicles. These self-driving cars rely on precise navigation data to journey safely along roads. The promise of this technology is transformative, leading to fewer accidents and more efficient transportation systems. Envision a future where you can travel effortlessly, your car guided by unseen signals from orbiting satellites. It's a glimpse into a world where mobility is both seamless and safe. In the realm of space exploration, did you know that GPS satellites themselves are monitored by a network of ground stations to ensure their accuracy and reliability? This symbiotic relationship maintains the delicate balance of our navigation systems, allowing them to function flawlessly. It's a marvel to consider, this intricate dance between Earth and space, each step vital to our daily lives. Lastly, let me tell you about how GPS is used in sports, not just for tracking athletes but also for enhancing the spectator experience. In events like marathons or cycling races, GPS provides real-time updates on participants' locations and progress. This allows fans to follow the action even from afar, adding a new dimension to the way we enjoy sports. Imagine the thrill of tracking your favorite athlete as they sprint towards victory, the digital path drawn by satellites guiding your gaze. As we explore these applications, it's clear that GPS and orbital satellites are quietly and profoundly into our lives. They touch everything from the fields we harvest to the stars we reach for, guiding our steps with a silent precision that is both awe-inspiring and reassuring. As you relax and let your thoughts drift, imagine all the ways this technology surrounds you, keeping watch over the rhythms of our shared world. Let me take you on a journey into the invisible web that connects us through GPS and orbital satellites. Did you know that the accuracy of your GPS is not just about the satellites themselves, but also the Earth's own movements? The planet is constantly shifting, which could potentially throw off our navigation systems. To counter this, scientists use a combination of technologies, including laser ranging, to monitor these movements. This helps ensure that the GPS data you rely on is always precise, no matter where you are. Speaking of precision, have you ever wondered how satellites manage to stay on course up in space? It's all thanks to a process called station keeping. Satellites are equipped with small thrusters that make periodic adjustments to their position and velocity. This keeps them in their designated orbits, ensuring that they can continue to provide the services we depend on daily. The harmonious choreography in the sky is truly remarkable, maintaining the steady pulse of connectivity that flows through our lives. Here's a curious tidbit. GPS satellites are actually powered by the sun. They carry solar panels that convert sunlight into energy, allowing them to operate for extended periods without needing external power sources. This renewable energy sustains their functions, which is why you can count on GPS to work virtually anywhere, whether you're navigating a cityscape or exploring a remote wilderness. And here's something that might surprise you. The signals from GPS satellites travel at the speed of light to reach your device. These signals are remarkably fast, yet when they reach you, they have traveled approximately 20,000 kilometers from space to Earth. The sheer distance these signals cover is a testament to the advanced technology that enables us to pinpoint our location with such remarkable accuracy. The clock within a GPS satellite is crucial to its function. The satellites are equipped with atomic clocks that are incredibly accurate, losing only about 1 second every 30 million years. This precision is essential because GPS timing data helps synchronize networks from the internet to financial systems, ensuring everything runs smoothly. Did you know that despite their practical functions, GPS satellites follow a path in the sky that can create beautiful patterns from Earth? As they orbit, their trajectories form invisible yet intricate designs. Artists and scientists alike have marveled at these celestial patterns, seeing them as a blend of technology and art. Let's consider something else: the impact of space weather on GPS accuracy. Solar flares and space weather events can distort the GPS signals as they travel through the Earth's atmosphere. To mitigate this, scientists continuously monitor space weather conditions, enabling them to provide corrections and maintain the reliability of GPS services even during such disturbances. This constant vigilance highlights the interplay between the Earth, the Sun, and the satellite network. Here's a little-known fact. There are actually multiple global navigation satellite systems, not just the one managed by the United States. Other countries have developed their own systems, such as Russia's GLONASS, Europe's Galileo, and China's Beidou. Each system adds layers of redundancy and reliability, ensuring that the world remains connected even if one system encounters issues. Speaking of global collaboration, did you know that GPS satellites orbit at an altitude where they can see more than 1/3 of the Earth's surface at any given time? This allows them to provide coverage to extensive geographical areas, making global navigation possible. It's fascinating to think about how these satellites act as silent guardians, watching over our planet and ensuring seamless connectivity across vast distances. And let's not forget about the role of GPS in scientific research. From studying tectonic plate movements to monitoring glacial melt, researchers use GPS data to gain insights into the Earth's processes. This information is invaluable for understanding climate change and its effects on our world. Imagine this. Even as we reach for the stars, GPS technology is reaching out with us. Space agencies use these systems to track spacecraft, ensuring safe navigation as they travel to distant planets. This guidance from above helps explore the unknown, expanding our horizons and deepening our understanding of the universe. As you ponder these intricate connections, consider how the technology also facilitates cultural exchanges. GPS helps people from different parts of the world connect, share, and experience each other's cultures through travel and communication. It's a bridge over oceans and borders, fostering unity and understanding in a complex world. And finally, think about the personal aspect of GPS. It's not just about where you are on a map, it's about the journeys it makes possible, the connections it helps forge, and the adventures it inspires. Each time you use GPS, you become part of this grand tapestry, woven together through a network of satellites orbiting high above. As you drift off to sleep, let these thoughts wander through your dreams, the beauty of invisible lines connecting us, the precision guiding our paths, and the quiet guardians watching over us from the vast expanse of space. This incredible technology, both complex and gentle, continues to shape our world in ways both seen and unseen, ensuring that we are always, somehow, right where we need to be. Let me share something intriguing about GPS satellites. They are not stationary. Despite the fact that they appear to provide constant, unwavering service, these satellites are actually in motion, traveling at a speed of over 14,000 kilometers per hour. This rapid pace allows them to orbit the Earth twice a day, circling our planet with a precision that ensures they are always in the right position to send and receive signals. Have you ever thought about the complexity behind maintaining communication at such speeds? The satellite's paths are meticulously calculated, demonstrating a harmonious balance between velocity and gravitational pull. Speaking of orbits, did you know that the Earth itself is not a perfect sphere? It's actually slightly flattened at the poles and bulging at the equator, a shape known as an oblate spheroid. This means that GPS calculations must account for these irregularities to provide accurate location data. The system compensates for these variations, ensuring that whether you're standing at the top of a mountain or by the sea, your GPS is providing you with the correct information. Here's an interesting tidbit about the materials used in satellites. They are designed to withstand extreme temperatures in space. The sunny side of a satellite can get as hot as 200 degrees Celsius, while the shaded side can plummet to minus 150 degrees Celsius. To withstand these harsh conditions, satellites are built with advanced materials that can endure such temperature swings without damage. This resilience is vital for the continuous operation of the satellites, ensuring they can perform their duties reliably over many years. Did you know that GPS satellites have a gravitational anomaly to contend with? Einstein's theory of relativity tells us that the stronger the gravitational field, the slower time moves. As these satellites are much farther from Earth's gravitational pull, their clocks actually run faster than those on the ground. Engineers must account for this time dilation to maintain precise timing, a testament to the intricate dance between theoretical physics and practical application in our everyday lives. And here's something quite astounding. The GPS system can be used to detect earthquakes. By analyzing signals from a network of satellites, scientists can detect shifts in the Earth's surface that occur during seismic events. This capability provides an invaluable tool for early warning systems, potentially saving lives by alerting people to impending danger in time to take action. Let's consider the role of satellites in telecommunications. While GPS is primarily known for navigation, its signals also synchronize global communication networks. When you make a phone call or send a text across the world, GPS timing helps ensure that the networks are in sync, allowing your message to be delivered almost instantaneously. This synchronization is crucial, particularly for financial transactions, where even a second's delay could have significant consequences. Have you ever wondered how many satellites are needed to provide global GPS coverage? At any given time, there are at least 24 operational satellites in the GPS constellation, with additional satellites in orbit as backups. This redundancy ensures that even if one satellite fails, the system as a whole continues to function seamlessly, maintaining its vital role in our daily lives. And here's something to spark your curiosity. Some satellites are equipped with cameras that can observe the Earth's surface. This capability allows for a wide array of applications, from monitoring environmental changes to assisting in disaster relief efforts. By providing real-time imagery, these satellites help us better understand and respond to the challenges facing our planet. Speaking of Earth observations, did you know that satellites can also monitor space debris? As the number of objects in orbit increases, the risk of collisions poses a significant threat to both operational satellites and future space missions. By tracking this debris, satellites help scientists and engineers devise strategies to avoid potential collisions, safeguarding our orbital infrastructure. Let's delve into another fascinating aspect: the longevity of GPS satellites. Designed to last approximately 10 to 15 years, these satellites demonstrate incredible engineering. Over their lifespans, they must continuously operate in the harsh environment of space, requiring minimal maintenance while delivering consistent service. This durability is a testament to human ingenuity and the foresight involved in their design and deployment. Now, here's a curious fact about the launch of GPS satellites. They are carefully placed into orbit using rockets. Once they reach their designated altitude, the satellites are released into orbit, where they begin their task of navigation. The precision required in these launches ensures that each satellite ends up in the correct orbital slot, contributing to the overall harmony of the GPS constellation. Have you ever imagined how GPS technology could evolve in the future? Scientists and engineers are already working on next-generation systems that promise even greater accuracy and reliability. These advancements could lead to remarkable improvements in autonomous vehicles, drone navigation, and even personal devices, further integrating GPS technology into the fabric of our lives. Lastly, consider the educational impact of GPS technology. By providing accurate geographical data, it supports fields like geography, archaeology, and history, enabling researchers to uncover new insights about our world. This transformative technology continues to inspire innovation, encouraging exploration and discovery across disciplines. As you contemplate these surprising facts, picture the invisible web of satellites above, silently orbiting and providing us with the means to navigate, communicate, and understand our world. Let me share something interesting about how GPS satellites determine their location and yours. Each GPS satellite continuously transmits a signal containing the time the message was sent and the satellite's position at that moment. Our GPS receivers on the ground use these signals to calculate their own position by measuring how long it took for the signals to arrive. This process is known as trilateration, requiring signals from at least 4 satellites to pinpoint a precise location. It's quite fascinating how these signals, traveling at the speed of light, allow us to navigate with such remarkable accuracy. Speaking of accuracy, did you know that the US military originally developed GPS technology during the Cold War? It was designed for precision in navigation and targeting, providing an edge in military operations. However, in the mid-1990s, it was made available for civilian use, revolutionizing industries and everyday life. This transition from military to commercial use opened up a world of possibilities and innovations, creating a global positioning system that now serves billions of users worldwide. Here's a surprising fact: GPS satellites are equipped with atomic clocks. These hyper-accurate clocks measure time to within a billionth of a second, ensuring the precision needed for calculating positions. The accuracy of these atomic clocks is crucial, as even a tiny error in timing could lead to significant inaccuracies in determining location. It's amazing to think that the reliability of our GPS devices relies on such precise timekeeping happening far above in space. And here's something intriguing about the costs involved. Launching and maintaining a GPS satellite is an expensive endeavor, with costs running into the hundreds of millions of dollars. This investment includes everything from building the satellite to launching it into orbit and operating it throughout its lifetime. The funding for these satellites primarily comes from governments, underscoring the importance of this infrastructure to global technology and safety. Speaking of global importance, have you ever considered the role of GPS in precision agriculture? Farmers use GPS technology to monitor and manage their fields with unparalleled accuracy. This allows them to optimize planting and harvesting, reduce waste, and increase yields. GPS-guided tractors and machinery follow predetermined paths, enhancing efficiency and contributing to sustainable farming practices. It's remarkable how this space-based technology helps to put food on our tables every day. Now, let's talk about GPS signals themselves. Did you know that GPS signals are surprisingly weak by the time they reach the Earth's surface? They are often compared to the power of a light bulb at 20,000 kilometers, which makes their reliable reception even more impressive. Despite their weakness, GPS receivers are designed to pick up and amplify these signals, enabling us to use GPS technology even in challenging environments. This reminds me of a unique feature related to GPS and timekeeping. The system plays a critical role in synchronizing time across the globe. Financial markets, power grids, and communication networks all rely on the precise timing provided by GPS to operate smoothly. By offering a universal time reference, GPS ensures that various systems remain in sync, preventing errors and ensuring efficient operation worldwide. Here's something you might find surprising about the broader impact of GPS technology. It has led to the development of a wide range of location-based services and applications. From turn-by-turn navigation and ride-sharing apps to location-based games and augmented reality experiences, GPS has transformed how we interact with the world around us. This technology empowers businesses and individuals alike, fostering innovation in countless sectors. And speaking of transformations, have you ever wondered about the environmental impact of launching satellites? While the initial launch does produce greenhouse gas emissions, the long-term benefits of GPS in reducing fuel consumption and optimizing routes for transportation can lead to a net positive effect on the environment. By making logistics more efficient, GPS helps reduce overall emissions, contributing to efforts to combat climate change. Let's consider another fascinating aspect: the role of GPS in aviation. Aircraft rely on GPS for navigation, ensuring safe and efficient travel across the skies. This technology enhances air traffic control, allowing for more precise routing and better coordination. Pilots use GPS to monitor their position relative to other aircraft, reducing the risk of mid-air collisions and promoting safer skies for everyone. Another surprising use of GPS is in wildlife conservation. Scientists use GPS collars to track the movements of endangered species, gaining insights into their behavior and habitat use. This data helps inform conservation strategies, ensuring the protection of these animals and their ecosystems. Through the lens of GPS, researchers can observe wildlife in ways that were once impossible, advancing our understanding and preservation of biodiversity. Now, let's touch on the durability of satellites in space. These technological marvels are built to withstand the bombardment of cosmic radiation and the vacuum of space. Engineers design them with special shielding and components that can resist radiation damage, ensuring their functionality over many years. This resilience is crucial, as repairing or replacing a satellite in orbit presents significant challenges and costs. Lastly, consider the cultural impact of GPS. It has changed the way we view the world, shrinking distances and making the globe feel more connected. People can explore new places with confidence, guided by the invisible hand of satellite navigation. This shift in perception encourages exploration and discovery, fostering a sense of adventure and curiosity in our everyday lives as we navigate the world around us. Let me share something intriguing with you about the synchronization of GPS satellites. Each satellite orbits the Earth twice a day, traveling at speeds of roughly 14,000 kilometers per hour. This high velocity, combined with their altitude of approximately 20,000 kilometers, requires constant adjustments to remain in perfect synchronization with the Earth's rotation. The satellites are not just passive observers in space. They actively communicate with each other and ground stations to maintain this precise alignment. And did you know that GPS technology has a fascinating application in earthquake monitoring? By analyzing the signals from a network of GPS stations positioned around tectonic fault lines, scientists can detect minute shifts in the Earth's crust. This real-time data helps in predicting potential seismic activity and assessing the risk of earthquakes, providing invaluable early warnings and potentially saving lives. Here's a thought-provoking fact about GPS and its influence on emergency services. Emergency responders often rely on GPS to reach those in need as quickly as possible. The ability to pinpoint an exact location allows for swift dispatch of services like ambulances, fire trucks, and police, reducing response times significantly. It's remarkable how a technology, originally designed for military applications, now plays such a vital role in public safety. Speaking of safety, have you ever considered how GPS helps in maritime navigation? Ships use GPS to navigate open waters, ensuring they stay on course and avoid obstacles. This is crucial not only for commercial shipping, but also for smaller vessels. With GPS, sailors have a reliable tool to guide them through treacherous waters, enhancing safety and efficiency across the vast oceans. Moreover, GPS technology is indispensable in the realm of sports and fitness. Athletes use GPS to track their performance, monitor their pace, and analyze their training routines, whether it's a runner mapping out new routes or a cyclist measuring distance and speed. GPS provides detailed insights that help athletes improve and achieve their goals. Here's something that might surprise you. GPS technology even plays a role in space exploration. As spacecraft venture beyond our planet, they still rely on principles of navigation similar to GPS to determine their position relative to Earth and other celestial bodies. These navigational systems guide missions to distant planets and beyond, showcasing the foundational concepts of GPS applied in the vastness of space. Have you ever pondered the role of GPS in disaster relief efforts? In the aftermath of natural disasters like hurricanes or earthquakes, GPS aids in mapping affected areas, coordinating rescue operations, and delivering essential supplies. The ability to quickly assess the terrain and plan logistics is a crucial component of effective disaster response, demonstrating the versatility of GPS technology. Moving on to a different context, GPS has also revolutionized the world of geocaching. Participants use GPS coordinates to hide and seek containers, or caches, all around the world. This outdoor adventure combines technology with exploration, bringing people together and encouraging them to discover new places. And consider the role of GPS in archaeology. Archaeologists use GPS to accurately map excavation sites and document the precise locations of artifacts. This precision allows for detailed reconstructions of ancient sites and facilitates the study of human history. By integrating GPS with traditional archaeological methods, researchers gain a more comprehensive understanding of our past. Here's another captivating aspect: the use of GPS in weather forecasting. Meteorologists use data from GPS satellites to measure the amount of water vapor in the atmosphere, which is a key factor in weather prediction. This information helps improve the accuracy of weather forecasts, offering more reliable data for planning and preparedness. Let's delve into a lesser-known use of GPS: its role in time-sensitive scientific research. Scientists studying phenomena like the migration patterns of birds or the growth of glaciers rely on precise GPS data to track changes over time. This temporal dimension of GPS applications allows researchers to observe and record natural changes, contributing to our understanding of dynamic processes on Earth. Speaking of contributions, GPS technology has also had a significant economic impact. It's estimated that GPS technology adds tens of billions of dollars to the economy annually. From efficient supply chain management to enhanced agricultural productivity, the economic benefits of GPS extend across numerous industries, driving innovation and growth. Here's something to ponder about the GPS signals themselves. Did you know that they travel at the speed of light? This immense speed, combined with their weak power, allows GPS signals to reach receivers on Earth almost instantaneously. The seamless interaction of these signals with our technology is a testament to the sophistication and elegance of the GPS system. Finally, consider the concept of differential GPS, which enhances the accuracy of standard GPS. By using additional reference stations to correct any errors in GPS signals, differential GPS provides even greater precision. This refined accuracy is essential for applications such as land surveying and autonomous vehicles. As you drift into slumber, let these fascinating insights accompany your dreams, painting pictures of satellites gracefully orbiting our planet and the seamless connection between space and our everyday lives. Did you know that the development of GPS technology initially began with a series of experiments involving Sputnik, the first artificial satellite? When Sputnik was launched by the Soviet Union in 1957, scientists at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology observed that they could track the satellite's location by analyzing the signals it emitted. This realization laid the groundwork for the future development of the Global Positioning System. Such early ingenuity highlights the interconnectedness of pioneering space research and modern technology. Speaking of the origins of GPS, it's fascinating to think that the system was initially intended for military use, specifically for guiding missiles and military vehicles with precision. However, recognizing its broader potential, the United States government made GPS available for civilian use in the 1980s. This decision transformed the technology into the indispensable tool we rely on today for navigation and so much more. You might find it intriguing that the atomic clocks on board GPS satellites are incredibly precise. These clocks are accurate to within 1 second every 300 million years. This level of precision is necessary because even a tiny error in time measurement could result in navigational inaccuracies of several kilometers. The synchronization of these clocks ensures that GPS systems provide the reliable data we depend on every day. Here's an unexpected application of GPS. It's used to combat illegal fishing. By monitoring the movements of fishing vessels via GPS, authorities can detect unauthorized fishing activities and enforce maritime laws more effectively. This helps preserve marine ecosystems and sustainable fishing practices, illustrating how GPS contributes to global environmental efforts. On a more whimsical note, did you know that GPS has become a creative tool in the art world? Some artists use GPS devices to create GPS art, where their movements across a landscape form digital drawings or patterns when mapped. This innovative blend of technology and creativity showcases the limitless potential of GPS beyond traditional applications. And here's an interesting tidbit. GPS technology plays a crucial role in precision agriculture. By using GPS to map fields and guide equipment, farmers can optimize planting patterns, apply fertilizers more efficiently, and manage their crops with greater precision. This leads to increased yields and reduced waste, highlighting GPS's impact on food production and sustainability. Consider the fact that GPS technology is also integral to drones, which are increasingly employed for a variety of tasks, from delivering packages to conducting aerial surveys. GPS enables these unmanned aerial vehicles to navigate autonomously and accurately, opening new possibilities for industries ranging from logistics to cinematography. Imagine a future where drones seamlessly integrate into daily life, guided by the invisible threads of GPS signals. Here's something remarkable. GPS satellites experience time differently than we do here on Earth. Due to their high speeds and orbits, they are subject to the effects of both special and general relativity. As a result, their onboard clocks tick slightly faster than those on the ground. This time dilation must be accounted for in GPS calculations to ensure accuracy, a testament to the intricate dance of physics and technology. Have you ever considered how GPS technology is vital for synchronizing the world's financial networks? Accurate timing is essential for transactions across global markets, and GPS provides the precise timestamps needed to keep everything in sync. This ensures stability and efficiency in our interconnected economic systems, allowing for seamless international trade and commerce. In a nod to the future, GPS technology is evolving to support autonomous vehicles. These vehicles use GPS, along with other sensors, to navigate roads without human intervention. The precision and reliability of GPS are crucial for the safe and efficient operation of self-driving cars, pointing to a future where transportation is redefined by technology. Here's a surprising fact. GPS can even aid in the study of plate tectonics. By tracking the slow movement of tectonic plates over time, scientists can gain insights into geological processes and better understand the forces that shape our planet. This application of GPS contributes to our knowledge of Earth sciences and our ability to predict geological hazards. In addition to its many scientific applications, GPS has become an integral part of our daily lives, guiding us through unfamiliar cities and helping us find the quickest routes to our destinations. The convenience and accessibility of GPS technology have revolutionized how we travel and explore the world around us. Finally, consider the role of GPS in search and rescue operations. By providing precise location data, GPS helps rescuers locate missing persons or those in distress more quickly and efficiently. This capability saves lives and underscores the humanitarian impact of GPS technology. As you drift further into your thoughts, remember the incredible journey of GPS technology, from its origins in space exploration to its role in shaping our world today. These surprising facts illuminate the vast potential of GPS and orbital satellites, offering a glimpse into a future where their influence continues to expand in ever innovative ways. Let me share something intriguing about GPS and the vast world of orbital satellites. The system we rely on daily is maintained by a constellation of at least 30 satellites orbiting Earth, Each satellite travels at an extraordinary speed of almost 14,000 kilometers per hour, circling the planet twice a day. This rapid orbit ensures that you can receive a GPS signal no matter where you are on the globe. It's like having a group of celestial guides, always ready to help you find your way. Speaking of satellites, did you know that they are powered primarily by the sun? Solar panels cover the satellites, soaking up sunlight to generate the energy necessary to operate. However, they are also equipped with rechargeable batteries to keep them running during the Earth's shadowed phase. This intricate energy management ensures that GPS satellites remain operational around the clock, providing uninterrupted service to billions of devices. Here's something you might find fascinating. The calculated lifespan of a GPS satellite is around 12 years. However, many exceed this expectancy thanks to robust engineering and continuous monitoring by ground control teams. These teams can perform maneuvers remotely to correct the satellite's orbit and extend its useful life. This illustrates the remarkable synergy between technology and human ingenuity in maintaining our orbital infrastructure. Have you ever wondered how GPS remains so accurate despite atmospheric disturbances? Well, GPS signals are corrected for errors caused by the Earth's atmosphere. The ionosphere and troposphere can bend and slow down the signals, but complex algorithms within the GPS receivers adjust for these effects, maintaining the precision we depend on. It's like having a built-in correction mechanism that ensures you always receive the most accurate information possible. And here's a lesser-known fact. The U.S. Air Force operates and controls the network of GPS satellites. The Master Control Station, located at Schriever Air Force Base in Colorado, manages the entire GPS constellation. This facility ensures that satellites are healthy, their clocks are synchronized, and their trajectories are on course. It's amazing to think that a dedicated team on Earth ensures the smooth operation of a technology that has become integral to so many aspects of our lives. You might be surprised to learn that GPS satellites are not the only ones in orbit. There are other satellite systems like GLONASS, operated by Russia, and Galileo, managed by the European Union. These systems work similarly to GPS and can even complement each other, providing enhanced accuracy when used together. It's a testament to global cooperation in advancing navigational technology. Speaking of international efforts, GPS technology has also been indispensable in disaster management. When natural calamities strike, GPS assists in the quick mapping of affected areas, helping coordinate relief efforts. By providing accurate geospatial data, responders can target their efforts more effectively, ensuring aid reaches those who need it most without delay. Here's something to ponder. The signals from GPS satellites are so weak by the time they reach Earth that they're often compared to the brightness of a 20-watt light bulb seen from over 12,000 kilometers away. Yet, despite this faintness, your GPS receiver can decode these signals and provide precise location data. This is achieved through advanced signal processing techniques that filter out noise and enhance clarity. You might find it interesting that GPS is integral to scientific research beyond navigation. For instance, GPS technology aids in measuring the Earth's atmospheric conditions. By analyzing how GPS signals are refracted by the atmosphere, scientists can gather data on temperature, humidity, and pressure, contributing valuable insights to weather forecasting and climate research. Did you know that GPS technology is also being explored for space navigation? As humanity sets its sights on exploring other planets, GPS-like systems could be developed to guide spacecraft across the cosmos. This potential expansion of GPS technology into space demonstrates its versatility and the endless possibilities it offers for future exploration. Consider this: GPS technology is crucial for maintaining the precise timing of our digital world. It plays a vital role in synchronizing cell towers to ensure seamless communication, managing data networks efficiently, and even securing financial transactions. This time, synchronization is a silent yet essential function that keeps our world running smoothly. Let's delve deeper into the world of GPS applications. It's not just about finding your way across town or the globe. GPS is integral to managing natural resources efficiently. For example, it helps in mapping forests, monitoring deforestation, and managing wildlife habitats. This capability aids conservation efforts, ensuring that natural ecosystems are preserved for future generations. You might be intrigued to learn that GPS technology is even used in creating virtual experiences. Augmented reality games, for instance, rely on GPS data to overlay digital content onto the real world, creating interactive experiences that blend reality with the virtual. This reflects how GPS technology continues to inspire innovative applications in entertainment and beyond. And finally, consider how GPS has transformed personal fitness. Many wearable devices now use GPS to track running routes, calculate distance, and monitor progress. This integration of technology into everyday life encourages healthier lifestyles by providing accurate and motivating data at our fingertips. As we continue to unravel the countless ways GPS and orbital satellites impact our world, it's clear that their influence extends far beyond navigation. They are woven into the very fabric of modern life, enhancing our understanding of the world and our place within it. Let these thoughts guide you into a restful state, where the wonders of technology and the universe continue to inspire gentle dreams and endless curiosity. Let me share something quite intriguing with you. While GPS is a marvel of modern technology, it also depends on ancient cosmic forces. The satellites in orbit utilize gravitational forces, a concept discovered centuries ago, to maintain their precise paths around our planet. This gravitational pull balances with their forward momentum, creating a delicate dance that allows them to orbit the Earth continuously. Speaking of their paths, did you know GPS satellites orbit the Earth twice a day? This means they are in constant motion, tirelessly circling our planet to ensure consistent coverage. Their trajectory is carefully calculated to cover every part of the globe, providing uninterrupted service to anyone, anywhere. Here's another fascinating tidbit. Each GPS satellite is equipped with multiple atomic clocks. These clocks are incredibly accurate, losing only about 1 second every several million years. This precision is crucial because even a 1-second error could result in a location inaccuracy of several kilometers. Imagine trying to navigate with such discrepancies. Have you ever considered how GPS satellites endure the harsh environment of space? These satellites are shielded to protect against the extreme temperatures of space, which can range from -200 degrees Celsius in the shadows to +150 degrees Celsius in direct sunlight. Special materials and coatings are used to withstand these conditions, ensuring the satellite's durability and longevity. Now, let's turn to a technological twist. GPS signals are immune to certain types of interference. The signals are transmitted on multiple frequencies to minimize the impact of natural and man-made disruptions. This multi-frequency approach ensures that GPS can provide reliable data even in challenging environments. Here's a lesser-known fact that might surprise you. GPS technology is also being used underwater. While GPS signals do not penetrate water, surface receivers can be used to triangulate positions for autonomous underwater vehicles. This application is transforming ocean research, allowing scientists to map the ocean floor and monitor marine life with unprecedented accuracy. On the subject of accuracy, have you heard about differential GPS, also known as DGPS? This technique uses ground-based reference stations to correct GPS signals, enhancing accuracy to within a few centimeters. DGPS is particularly useful in applications like agriculture, where precision is paramount for tasks such as planting and harvesting. Did you know that GPS technology has a role in maintaining our power grids? By synchronizing timing across the grids, GPS helps prevent power outages and ensures the efficient distribution of electricity. This application highlights the critical behind-the-scenes roles GPS plays in supporting essential infrastructure services. Consider this. The concept of GPS dates back to the Sputnik era. When the first artificial satellite was launched, scientists realized they could track its position by measuring the Doppler shift of its signals. This foundational idea eventually evolved into the advanced GPS technology we rely on today. It's a reminder of how innovation builds upon itself over time. Here's an out-of-this-world application. GPS technology is being adapted for lunar missions. As exploration of the moon continues, a similar system could guide lunar rovers, helping them navigate the rugged terrain. This adaptation showcases GPS's potential beyond our atmosphere, setting the stage for future interplanetary navigation systems. You might be surprised to learn about the role of GPS in geocaching. This worldwide treasure hunt uses GPS coordinates to lead participants to hidden caches, combining technology with adventure. Geocaching has captivated millions of enthusiasts, turning the world into a giant playground of discovery and exploration. Speaking of exploration, GPS technology is also empowering archaeologists. By using GPS receivers, archaeologists can record the precise location of artifacts and sites, improving the accuracy of their maps and research. This application has been instrumental in uncovering and preserving our world's ancient history. Have you considered how GPS is integrated into modern aviation? Pilots rely on GPS for navigation and landing, especially when visibility is poor. This technology enhances safety and efficiency, allowing aircraft to follow precise flight paths and optimize fuel use. Here's a quirky fact. Early iterations of GPS technology were initially designed for military use, aiding in missile targeting and troop movements. Eventually, the United States government made the signals available for civilian use, sparking a wave of innovation and countless new applications. Finally, let's reflect on the incredible scope of GPS technology in our daily lives. From guiding emergency services to providing vital data for scientific research, GPS is a silent partner in many aspects of society. It epitomizes the intersection of technology and human exploration, bridging distances and connecting people worldwide. As we conclude this journey through the intricate world of GPS and orbital satellites, I hope you carry with you a deeper appreciation for the unseen forces guiding us every day. This technological symphony plays out above us, unnoticed yet indispensable, a testament to human ingenuity and our quest to understand and navigate the vastness of our world. As you settle in for a peaceful rest, may these thoughts instill a sense of wonder and curiosity, dreaming of the stars and the remarkable systems that guide us no matter where we are. Let me share something intriguing with you. Did you know that GPS timing is so precise that it is used by financial markets to timestamp transactions. This ensures the integrity and accuracy of trades executed at lightning speed. Without this synchronization, the financial world would face significant challenges in maintaining order. Imagine the chaos if trades were not properly sequenced. Speaking of precision, the clocks on board GPS satellites are adjusted for the effects of both general and special relativity, concepts introduced by Albert Einstein. The speed of the satellites and the weaker gravitational field at their altitude cause their clocks to tick slightly faster than those on the ground. This adjustment is crucial for maintaining the accuracy of the GPS system. And here's something you might find surprising. GPS satellites are powered by solar energy, harnessing the sun's rays to fuel their operations. They are equipped with solar panels that convert sunlight into electricity, ensuring they remain operational as they orbit the Earth. However, they are also equipped with backup batteries to keep them running during eclipses when the Earth blocks the sun's light. Have you ever thought about how GPS satellites are launched into space? They are typically sent aloft by powerful rockets, carefully placed into their designated orbits where they will begin their service to the world below. Here's a curious fact. You might think of GPS as a solely Earth-bound technology, but did you know that it can also provide valuable data for climate scientists? By analyzing GPS signals that reflect off the Earth's surface, scientists can monitor changes in sea levels, soil moisture, and even snow depth. This application demonstrates the versatility of GPS technology and its impact on our understanding of the planet's changing climate. Speaking of versatility, GPS technology is also used in wildlife conservation efforts. By attaching GPS collars to animals, researchers can track their movements, study their behavior, and implement strategies to protect endangered species. It's a remarkable example of how technology can support environmental preservation. Now, consider this. The accuracy of GPS can be affected by a phenomenon known as ionospheric delay. As GPS signals travel through the Earth's atmosphere, they encounter the ionosphere, a layer filled with charged particles. This interaction can cause delays and affect the precision of a GPS reading. Fortunately, modern GPS systems incorporate models to compensate for these variations, ensuring reliable location data. Isn't it amazing how engineers have devised solutions to overcome the challenges posed by nature itself? Here's another fascinating tidbit. GPS is not the only global navigation satellite system in operation. Other countries have developed their own systems, such as Russia's GLONASS, Europe's Galileo, and China's Beidou. Each of these systems operates independently, but they can also complement one another, providing even greater accuracy and redundancy. This global cooperation highlights the importance of navigation technology in our interconnected world. Have you ever wondered how GPS can function in remote areas without cell reception? The answer lies in the fact that GPS does not require an internet connection to determine your location. The device receives signals directly from the satellites, calculating your position based on the time it takes for the signals to reach you. This capability makes GPS indispensable for adventurers, hikers, and travelers exploring off-the-grid destinations. Speaking of exploration, GPS technology has found its way into space missions as well. Some spacecraft use GPS signals for navigation, even when traveling far from Earth. These signals help them maintain their course, much like they do for aircraft and ships back home. Imagine the precision required to navigate the vastness of space with such small signals from our tiny blue planet. Here's a quirky fact to ponder. While GPS is a marvel of modern technology, it has not entirely replaced traditional navigation methods. Many sailors and pilots still learn to use tools like compasses and sextants as a backup in case of GPS failure. This blend of old and new techniques ensures that navigation remains robust and reliable regardless of technological disruptions. Do you know that GPS technology is also crucial for land surveying? By providing accurate coordinates, GPS enables surveyors to measure distances, angles, and elevations with incredible precision. This capability is essential for construction projects, land development, and even legal boundaries. It's hard to imagine how much more time-consuming these tasks would be without the assistance of GPS. And here's a surprising statistic. There are currently over 30 operational GPS satellites orbiting the Earth, each with a lifespan of about 12 years. These satellites work together in a meticulously orchestrated network to provide coverage across the entire globe. Maintenance and replacement are ongoing tasks to ensure the system continues to operate smoothly and efficiently. Have you ever thought about the security measures that protect GPS satellites? Given their critical importance, they are equipped with anti-jamming and encryption features to prevent unauthorized access and interference. These measures help safeguard the integrity and reliability of the signals, allowing them to support everything from navigation to national security. Finally, let's consider the profound impact GPS has had on everyday life. From guiding us to our destinations to tracking our fitness activities, GPS is an integral part of our daily routines. It connects us to the world, shaping how we interact, explore, and understand our environment. This invisible network of satellites, tirelessly working above us, serves as a testament to human ingenuity and our never-ending quest to explore and innovate. As you drift off to sleep, perhaps you'll dream of the stars and the satellites that silently traverse the heavens, forever guiding us in our journeys both near and far. Let these thoughts fill you with wonder and curiosity as you ponder the incredible systems that keep our world connected. Did you know that the concept of using satellites for navigation was first inspired by the launch of Sputnik in 1957? Scientists observed that they could track the satellite's orbit by monitoring the changes in radio signals as it moved. This observation laid the foundation for what would eventually become the global positioning system we rely on today. It's fascinating how a single event in space history sparked a technological revolution that affects nearly every corner of our modern lives. Here's an intriguing thought. You might think the GPS satellites are stationary up there, but they're actually moving at incredible speeds. Each satellite travels at approximately 14,000 kilometers per hour, completing 2 orbits around the Earth every day. Their rapid movement is precisely calculated to provide continuous coverage, ensuring that you can find your location no matter where you are on the planet. Speaking of precision, the accuracy of GPS can be affected by something as simple as tall buildings or dense foliage. This is known as multipath interference, where the GPS signals bounce off surfaces before reaching your device. These reflections can cause errors in determining your exact position. To counteract this, engineers have developed sophisticated algorithms that help filter out these misleading signals, allowing for more reliable navigation in urban or forested environments. Have you ever wondered how GPS satellites are powered? While solar panels are their primary source of energy, they also have onboard nuclear-powered batteries known as radioisotope thermoelectric generators. These backup power systems ensure that the satellites can continue to function during periods when they are in the Earth's shadow and unable to receive sunlight. This dual power approach is just another example of the meticulous planning that goes into maintaining the global positioning system. Here's an unusual fact. Not all satellites in the GPS constellation are the same. There are different generations of satellites, each with unique capabilities and improvements over their predecessors. These advancements include better accuracy, longer lifespans, and enhanced resistance to signal jamming. Despite these differences, all GPS satellites work together seamlessly, thanks to the careful coordination and management by ground control teams. Let me share something interesting about GPS technology's impact beyond navigation. It's used in the field of precision agriculture, where farmers utilize GPS-guided tractors to plant and harvest crops with extreme accuracy. This technology helps optimize the use of resources, reduce waste, and improve yields, contributing to more sustainable farming practices. Who would have thought that satellites could help feed the world? And here's another curious application. GPS is crucial in synchronizing time across global networks. The system provides highly accurate time signals used to coordinate everything from financial transactions to telecommunications. In fact, the time kept by GPS satellites is so precise that it must account for the effects of both special and general relativity, as the satellite's speed and distance from Earth's gravitational field can slightly alter the passage of time compared to clocks on the ground. Can you imagine that GPS signals are so faint when they reach Earth that they are weaker than the ambient radio noise from the cosmos? Despite this, GPS receivers are incredibly sensitive, designed to extract these faint signals from the background noise and calculate your position with great precision. It's quite a marvel of engineering that something so subtle can provide such powerful guidance. Here's a surprising tidbit. The seasonal movement of tectonic plates can be monitored using GPS. By placing GPS receivers on the Earth's surface, scientists can measure the slow but constant shifts of the plates, providing valuable data for earthquake research and understanding geological processes. This application shows how GPS contributes to our knowledge of the planet's dynamic nature. Speaking of research, GPS technology is also employed in the study of atmospheric conditions. By analyzing the delay in GPS signals as they pass through the atmosphere, scientists can gather data on weather patterns, including temperature, pressure, and humidity. This information aids meteorologists in making more accurate forecasts and understanding climatic changes. And did you know that GPS has a role in the art world as well? Artists have used GPS tracking to create geo-art, where movements across the landscape are recorded and transformed into visual art pieces. These innovative projects highlight the intersection of technology and creativity, offering a unique perspective on how we move through and interact with our environment. Here's a whimsical fact. In some remote locations, communities have named local landmarks and roads based on GPS coordinates. This practice not only helps with navigation but also adds a layer of uniqueness and charm to these otherwise isolated areas. It's a reminder of how technology can shape and enrich the cultural fabric of even the most far-flung places. Have you ever considered how GPS technology aids in disaster response? In the aftermath of natural disasters, GPS is used to coordinate relief efforts, map affected areas, and guide search and rescue operations. Its ability to provide real-time information and location data is invaluable in these critical situations, helping save lives and deliver aid swiftly and efficiently. Here's a thought-provoking fact to ponder. The atomic clocks on board each GPS satellite must be accurate to within nanoseconds, or 1/1000th of a second. These clocks are vital for determining precise timing, which is the foundation of GPS's ability to calculate accurate positions. The synchronization of these clocks across the satellite network is a testament to the incredible precision and coordination required to keep the system functioning flawlessly. Finally, consider this. The future of GPS technology is continually evolving, with ongoing efforts to enhance its capabilities. Innovations like improved signal resilience, greater accuracy, and expanded coverage are already in development, promising to make GPS an even more indispensable tool in our everyday lives. As you drift into sleep, let your dreams be filled with the wonder of the unseen forces that guide us, both ancient and modern, reminding us of the boundless potential of human ingenuity.